Vanakkam. Welcome to the third section of PHP tutorial. In this third section we are going to see about file handling and file server and file uploading concepts of PHP. And these three things are found to be very essential in the case of PHP because by using PHP you can read a file and you can copy content from file and you can move file like that. Similarly, you can get informations and store it in one file, and then you can upload file by using a PHP. So this is very vital in the case of mail, and also we are doing an attachment in the mail. So that type of things you can do even with the PHP. So these three things we are going to discuss in this section. So first we will see about file handling, and file handling means to open a file and to read a file, to write a file and closing the files are the few examples of file handling concepts. So here after this file opening conditions and all, we can give different ability, say rights to a user, so they can use all these file read, write and close, open options. We can't give full credit to the user, so we can give a controlled manner. By giving the mode options, you can give a controlled options for the users. They can use what type of file handling method. And here you can see a simple file handling program which is used to write the content of this is a simple writing test in the file, particular file. Say for example, here we are mentioned the file in D drive, that is new file.exe. In this file we are going to write this statement. For this we are writing a code here. So in this first we include the name of the file to a file name variable, and then we are opening the file, and then in that file we are going to write, so by using the command fwrite option. Then after writing this we are going to close the file by using the fclose option. So this is how we are using file open, file write and file close commands for this PHP. And we will see after completing this command what happened to that file, we will see. So now we copy this portion of the file and we create a PHP file in the PHP folder like file handling PHP. So you can see the content of this file. So this is the same file what we saw here. So you can say you can add the term file writing test. Okay. Then I will save this file and then I will run this file by using file handling PHP option. Okay. Now we will get a command like file written. This means that the file is written. So now we will see the file in that D colon whether the file is written. So we new file.exe. Here itself we can see that the file is accessed just now, and you can see that line, this is the simple writing test, it is written in this file. So this shows that the file is written by using this file handling command. Okay, so next we will see another program, that is file server program, and this program is very much similar to connect between client and server concept. Okay, so in this method we are going to transfer information either through post method or through the get method, and post method usually transfer information via HTTP header. The information is encoded as described. In the case of get method, and it is you can get the information in the header regions. Okay, now the detail of this file is not necessary because we already see in the case of arrays and loops we get values from the user and we are running it in the server. So like that, if you want to do a client server based program, first you should create a form as usual in the case of HTML file, and that form will direct a file for PHP, and that PHP file actually carry out a program. So this is how client and server programs are running out. So you need a two file. One is like a post HTML file. The other one is a welcome PHP file. These are the two files. Even you can create these two files with the HTML extension or PHP extension. It's not a problem. you can use both file problem, because the PHP code is going to start here. So whether it is doesn't mean that whether you are starting the file with the HTML extension or PHP extension. Since PHP is a scripting language, both is applicable. So now we create two files, one is post PHP and one is welcome PHP, and we are going to run it. And you can see already here file, that is, you can see this welcome here, no, welcome PHP one file, then the other one is post PHP file here. So we are going to run this post PHP file. The content is as indicated in the example. It is going to be containing the same information. See, welcome PHP, and then the other one will be the same as in the Word file. See, it is going to post the value of name and the email here. Okay, so now we are going to run the post PHP file. We are going to run the post PHP file. Okay, we are going to run the post. So it will ask your name and then your email ID. Okay, then when I submit the query, I will get output as welcome, and then your mail ID inside. So this is what additional information we are getting from this file server program. Okay. So next we are going to see about the third PHP program, that is file uploading code. And this code is usually used to upload files by using one PHP. And this uploading of files are utilized in many cases. And this is also very simple, but it is also risky. We cannot use this option freely in our pages, because anybody can add any amount of data, so it can damage your server. So we have to limit the file size and file type so that it cannot be misused. So this is what the main condition when you are using this file upload option. Here you can see again two files are used. One is a main file, which almost contains codes in HTML, and then it will direct it towards the uploaded PHP file. And this uploaded PHP part is actually contains the functional part of the file. Okay, so this is actually like a form to direct the location of the file which has to be uploaded. The second part is the one which actually handles the files and it will be uploads to the server. Here you can see the different terminologies used here. It is a target path where we are locating the upload file here. The path is transferred to this point, and then to that path we are going to add the name of the file from the above file, and then we are going to move the uploaded file from the temporary folder to the original folder upload. So this is how this program is going to function. So again, for this program to function well, we have to create actually upload folder in the PHP, within the PHP folder, and then we should provide achieve property to the TMP folder and PHP folder. Why we have to give this achieve property is that since the XAMPP is in the C drive, the C drive is not allow anybody to handle any folder. So to make the folders are handled by any user other than the OS component, we have to give an achieve option. So when you give this achieve option and when you run this file, your file is easily uploaded. Now we will see in the PHP folder there are two files will be there. You can see one is the uploaded PHP, the other one is file upload PHP. So the file upload PHP is mostly contains the HTML part of the file to direct which file to be uploaded, and then the uploaded part of this file will contains the codes which is going to transfer the informations of the file from one location to other locations, and this is the codes which is already shown in the Word file. Now you can see the same code here. Now we are going to run this file, that is file upload PHP file. We have to run file upload PHP file. Okay. So it will ask which file to be uploaded. So we have to choose file by using this browse option. We have to make a double click, and we can select one file. Now I select this Apache file, and then after selecting the file, I have to click this upload button, and then they will say file Apache PDB GIF has been uploaded. So to check whether the file is uploaded or not, we will go to this PHP folder, and you can see here upload folder, and then within this uploaded folder you will see the Apache PB2 file. This is the file which is uploaded. You can see the date and the time of the file when it is uploaded. So it is clearly indicates that the file is uploaded neatly by using this PHP code. So this is how we can use the PHP codings to upload files. So thus we can handle files, and we can link client and server, and we can upload files by using the PHP. So with this we are going to conclude the part of PHP sections. Thank you.